The concern is, what is the single most effective way to address privacy concerns in AI-driven healthcare?
When we talk about privacy concerns impacting AI-driven healthcare, uh, what I think so, if I recall correctly, I talked about federated learning.
I can put it in simple words, it's a secret sauce.
It's a secret called the federated learning. So I'll explain you how it works. So what it does is, instead of sending like patient data to a central server, that's what we used to do. Like what federated learning it does, it allows the algorithm to learn directly from decentralized data sets. So the data, it's never leaves the hospital. It's a privacy first by design. So that's where how we address the privacy concern of AI driven healthcare. So what we do is, we take all the information which is not private to the patient, we highlight that information, but the central information about patient, let's say my specific medical condition, we blur that information. When that data information is being sent for research and diagnosis and for training the data, it will not say Fardin Quazi has a heart condition and my date of birth is this. I When the data is being transcripted through an encrypted data set fed into the AI algorithm, it cannot relate or correlate between my name, my date of birth, my demography, to my heart condition, to my ailment, to my medical history. But that's one of the very key aspects which federated learning does to address the privacy concern. So that we are not only just missing out on feeding the data set, developing a robust algorithm to remove the bias, but we are also ensuring that the patient's information is safeguarded, the patient information is not shared across the platform, and it's being utilized ethically. There's a thing about ownership of the data sharing lying in the hands of the patient rather than the provider. So even if the hospital are using my information, they cannot do it without my consent, even if it's stored in their system. So to enable access to that particular information to be utilized, so that the power lies into my hands. As such, what I'm doing is I'm getting that privacy responsibility back into the patient's hand, whose data is being utilized. So it